हेलो वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम पढ़ेंगे डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस। लेट्स स्टार्ट। गुड मॉर्निंग, वेक अप, फॉलो अस, आई अंडरस्टैंड, आई लाइक द हिस्ट्री, शी लव्स chocolate, he sees rainbow, it's raining, he goes to market, have a nice day, I love traveling, he goes on vacation, he is lovely boy, she came, she become a manager, she likes pizza, they accepted invitation, we come on wedding, he goes to market, she sells her car, he sold his cat. I like fast food, they like seafood, red is my favorite color, he comes today. I like winter, good evening, take a side, take it easy. It is a teamwork. He is swimming. He likes singing. He arrived. Come back. She returned. He is angry. She is pretty. I like fish. मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी इसको लाइक करें, शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।